Hello people, my name is Victoria. I have been studying paralegal technology for 3 years now at Ansi College. It is a very interesting program and I highly recommend it to people who want to know more about law and their rights. In my opinion, people should be more aware of their rights because it's crazy how we get fooled by the society or company or just by people in general. One of the difficulties that we encounter in that program is that we have to learn a lot of vocabulary and we have to remember a lot of definition. We read a lot, such as essay, resume, or legal act. Sometimes we have to do it in both languages, so we start in French and then we have to translate it after in English. So in today's video, I'm going to show you a tool that can help you when you have to write an essay, for example, in English. So the website is called Virtual Writing Tutor. It can be accessed through the search bar on Google, but I prefer to just write the URL on the address bar because I think it's faster. Here. So here's the website. On the left corner of the page, we have the logo with a little icon here, so cute. These are the features of the website that's going to help you to correct your paragraph, is text, essay, whatever. So I'm going to copy paste a text here. It's the definition of a service contract. You can either click on word count. It is pretty cool if you're writing an essay and your teacher asks you to count your word. I know you can see it on the bottom left corner or on a page on Microsoft Word, but this website offers the possibility to do it too. So word count. Okay, doesn't work. Just gonna usually it works, but I think there's a little problem with my internet connection or maybe with the website, but it's okay. Anyways, it helps you to count your words. Here we have check the grammar if you want to correct your grammar errors. So I'm going to put some errors in my text in payment with an A. See what it says. Okay, it doesn't work, but like I said, usually if you scroll down, it gives you feedback on the sentences that contain errors, and it gives you suggestion on how to write the correct form, and then after you just have to correct your phrase, your sentence, sorry, and everything is good. If you want to see how to pronounce word or how to pronounce your sentence, you can click on the volume button just here at the left, on the right bottom of the text area. When you click on here, I know it's not gonna work, but when you click, there's someone that is pronouncing your sentence, and you can see how which every word are pronounced. So that's the website. I hope you're going to use it because it's very useful, and you can just play with it. I hope the website is going to work with you because I don't know why mine is not functional. But anyways, thank you, and I hope you enjoyed the video.